afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. Motorhome in Fern. Saturday afternoon now, and we're heading back out again for another walk. This time I think we're going to try a bit of a woodland walk today, guys. So we'll take you along, guys. Not too sure which way we're going to go, where we're going to end up, if we're going to end up on the beach and that, guys. But yeah, come with us, guys, and enjoy the walk. We'll see you all soon. Right, we're going to head off back through the bottom gate at Pembury Park Caravan and Motorhome Club site and pick up a forest walk somewhere down the road, guys. As you can see, lovely and sunny now. Blue skies, a little bit breezy still. Hope you enjoyed our Saturday morning walk to Pembury Harbour and Bury Lighthouse, guys. Some nice drone flights as well. Right, so I think we'll make this right hand turn, see where it takes us. This is the first woodland walk. We're filming on the Pocket 3 this afternoon, guys. Haven't used this too much lately, and that's so nice to give it a try again. Looks like there's some old horse stables on the right. I did think the park would be a little bit more busier than this. I thought there'd be lots of bikers and walkers. There probably will be a bit further round. As you can see, we've got Sky on the lead this afternoon. This is all new territory for her, so if she did run away chasing squirrels or rabbits, I say she's not too, as I say, she doesn't know this area, and that we've not got the dog whistle neither with us and that, so we'll just keep her on our lead unless we find a nice wide open space. On my left hand side, we're just bypassing the back end of Pembury campsite. That's not the motorhome Caravan and Motorhome Club site one. I think that could be a council run site. somewhere in this vicinity. There's an ammunitions bunker somewhere. I've just seen it on Google Maps when I was just having a quick look, see where we were in the woodland, and it just highlighted it. So it's not too far from where we are, guys. So I would have thought these trails, paths would have took us directly there. There's no markers or signs, but we'll keep going. Right, I'm hoping it's down here somewhere. Right, not sure whether we found it. It's too obvious, but just looks like a walkway to me. Another one here similar. This is it, so we might just go back on ourselves. Well, according to Google Maps it shows it somewhere in there, but there's no obvious paths or anything, so I think we're not going to see that. So we're going to see if we can just rejoin a main pathway somewhere.
Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of talking, the wind blowing in the trees.
Well, I can hear the sea, guys, but I'm trying to find a route down to it. Thought I found a route a couple of minutes ago, but it was all waterlogged, so we're trying a different direction.
Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken.
Right, I keep trying to find a cut through to the beach, and every time we're scuppered, waterlogged areas and that, guys, so I think we're gonna have to see if we can go across the dunes. Right, finally, having found a route onto the beach. I think we've been going about 30 minutes now, looking for somewhere to cut on. We've been going around in circles, flooded pathways, etc. Just hoping these are steps to the beach. Well, finally, I think we got here. Not quite on the beach yet, but it's down there. Still pretty windy here. You got the Gower Peninsula in the far distance. Right, more steps. But we're here. This guy's gonna be happy. Yeah, I've got the ball in my pocket. So, a bit of playtime. Looks like there's some kite surfing with these cars. I'm not too sure what you'd call the activity. As I say, so happy to see the beach. It was a little bit different to yesterday. Blue skies, still very windy. I wouldn't trust the drone, and that a little bit blowy, so wise choice not to bring it this afternoon. We are in the area now where we need flight permission, and that's so the sea is a little bit far out. We're going to see if we can head down that way a little bit.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are?
We're in Wales.
What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Head off the beach now. As I say, some of this is dog restriction area. I can see the lifeguard station open today, so I'm just toying with the idea whether to just go up these sand dunes. I don't want any fines occurring by being on the wrong part of the beach. We can get up here, I think.
I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Hello.
Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Right, that's it everybody. Thank you very much for watching this latest walk from Pembury Country Park. Hope you enjoyed it. So that's it for day 2. We've done 2 vlogs. I think we've had 3 full drone flights, guys. So yeah, give me a comment and a like on them, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that bell for latest updates, guys, and we'll do something similar on day 3 tomorrow. So it's a bye from me, and it's a bye from Sky.